Welcome! In front of me I have ROGBIT S2 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with an iPhone. First you will need to turn on the watch, and to do it you can press and hold the crown button right here and keep holding it until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the DAFIT application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. Once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in DAFIT and tap on search. Now scroll through the list of applications and find the DAFIT application on the list. Tap on it, tap on the Get button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. In the app, you'll get a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. The Bluetooth one is required, so tap on OK. Next, we have the notification permission. You can allow it or deny it, but if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, you need to allow this permission. I'm gonna allow it. Next, we can set up the profile. You can tap on the type of the data and basically adjust it. And once you're done, tap on the check mark. And now you should see the home page of the app. You can tap on the device icon right here. Tap on Add a Device button. Allow the permission for the location. And the app should detect your S2 watch right here. As you can see, tap on it to select it. And wait until the watch is done connecting with your phone. Once it says connected right here and you see the battery level, wait for a couple more seconds because you will probably get some pop-ups about the permissions again. So let's wait. And here we have it. If you get the Bluetooth pairing request, tap on pair. And we should get one more about the notifications. And here we have it. Tap on allow if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch. And now the pairing process is complete, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.